Most generic AI outputs signal a breakdown in the instructions rather than a flaw in the model itself. The model is executing exactly what you ask. The problem lies in what you didn't say, the invisible gaps in your instructions. Today, we are going to fix that. We will take a weak, failing prompt and engineer it into a top-tier command using a free scoring tool. By hitting a target score of 90 out of 100, you stop guessing what the AI will give you and start guaranteeing an exact, usable output. Let's look at the empty input field on this mobile interface. This is where we will paste a standard conversational prompt to see how it performs. When we ask the AI to help me with something good, the interface flags it with a failing 20 out of 100 score. It evaluates 5 dimensions. Looking below, the failure points are obvious: a 0 on role definition and a 2 on context. Without those parameters, the model is forced to fill in the blanks using average data. That results directly in useless, generic outputs. Now, consider a prompt that looks complete, asking a nutritionist for a 7-day vegetarian meal plan. Most people would rate that prompt highly, but it still fails the system's test. The missing dimension is output format. The prompt lacks explicit rules on how the data should be physically structured and presented. There is a one-line formula that cures unstructured outputs. Append this to your prompt. Format your response as structure: length, specifics, tone, style. The structure variable commands specific layouts. You dictate bullet points, data tables, or a step-by-step list. Next, dictating the exact word count and specifying the voice prevents the model from rambling or using inappropriate phrasing. Dictating the physical container for your information is just as critical as dictating the content itself. Let's build a new precision prompt from scratch. Step 1. We explicitly define the professional persona the AI must adopt. Step 2. We inject a specific situational context. We limit the scope of the AI's task to a precise business problem, such as addressing a low conversion rate. Step 3. We append our output format formula, commanding a compelling 200-word email with a formal tone and a step-by-step breakdown. We now have a fully layered prompt. It reads as a complete set of non-negotiable instructions rather than a casual request. This structure eliminates AI guesswork. The model must now generate a highly specific asset. Submitted back into the system, the result is immediate. The dial hits a solid 90 out of 100, securing a good rating. Down below, assigning a clear persona bumped role definition to 10 out of 10, and specific context brought it to 8. These scores demonstrate that high-quality prompting relies on measurable, repeatable logic. In direct contrast, the difference is clear. The vague baseline attempt fails, while the dense, structured instruction earns high marks across every dimension. Reaching this 90-point threshold significantly increases the likelihood of receiving a precise, usable response without needing a second attempt. Grab a failed prompt of your own, put it through the system, and identify the invisible flaws holding it back. Systematically diagnosing your